Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must be the form owner or have explicit permission to inspect responses, otherwise stop. Once ready, open the form page where responses appear or the live form. Press F12 or right-click and choose Inspect to open Developer Tools. Make sure the Elements panel is active so you can see the page DOM. You're doing this to debug structure or presentation, not to access private data. Keep the console open for potential errors and the Network tab for request tracking as you move to the next step. Start by clicking the element picker and hover over inputs, labels, or the response table to reveal their DOM nodes. This shows how responses are rendered. Once you identify a candidate node, right-click it and choose Copy Right Arrow Copy Selector or inspect its attributes to find question ID. If responses load dynamically, open the Network tab and filter XHR or fetch requests. Those requests often return JSON with entries. You're mapping how the front end requests and displays data, so you can, once you've found the DOM node or network response, use the console to run tiny, safe scripts that read text content or parse JSON for debugging. Avoid copying or sharing personal responses. If you don't see expected data, refresh with network recording on to capture the fetch lifecycle and inspect response payloads. Make sure you're signed in as the form owner. If access is denied, re-authenticate. Troubleshooting tip: if elements are obfuscated or hidden, reload with extensions disabled. Browser extensions can alter DOM or block requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.